What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making roasted garlic Parmesan asparagus. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need asparagus, garlic, lemon, Parmesan, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and crushed red pepper flakes. We're going to begin by trimming the ends of the asparagus. You can either cut them or snap them one by one. Mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Shred some Parmesan cheese. Add your asparagus to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle olive oil over your asparagus. Add minced garlic. Season with salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Toss asparagus until evenly coated. Preheat oven to 425 degrees and bake for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove your asparagus from the oven and top with Parmesan cheese and red pepper flakes. Bake for 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it, roasted garlic Parmesan asparagus. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.